one of the great findings of the last 30 years has been the extent to which all of biology is unified. The findings that we made in circadian biology and Drosophila are universal. They're true for mammals, they're true for humans, and so forth and so on. So I think these advances have been shown to be ubiquitous, to be true everywhere. I think these advances in how we understand these things is likely to impact human health as we gain more detailed knowledge and subject them to potential therapeutics. One of the major findings from studies in circadian rhythms over the last 10 years or so has been the extent to which physiology is under circadian control. And about 70% of gene expression is regulated by circadian biology. And that's really the reason that so much of physiology is under circadian control. And so I think it's very likely that almost every aspect of human physiology, diabetes, metabolic issues, lots of other things as well, but those are the top, I would say, big hitters. And so I think circadian biology, even something as simple as intermittent fasting, when you eat, etc., and eventually drugs that affect physiology through circadian understanding will impact human biology and human disease. I don't think that we know enough yet to really apply editing technologies to circadian biology. And I think the big danger, if you will, the ethical concerns, is that you have to understand things extremely well to edit a gene for improvement. So I think for things like sickle cell anemia, a very devastating disease where you can really, with a very fine scalpel, go in and have a positive impact. Not only have a positive impact, but against the background of a devastating illness. We just don't know enough yet about circadian biology to do that. The big danger is that a gene you manipulate might then, although you can have a positive effect on something, might then have a unanticipated negative effect on something much more important. So we just don't know enough yet to do that. Knowledge and diseases, as we've learned from COVID, know no national borders. They get on an airplane and they in a flash jump across the world to another place. And so I think one has to view knowledge in exactly the same way. And so what gets done in Italy, what gets done in China, what gets done in the United States immediately gets fused. And I think to segregate the scientific enterprise, or for that matter, the therapeutic enterprise, is a great mistake. We have to view this as one international community. There should be no borders.